Welcome to Living Healthy Chicago. I'm Jane Klaus. Now, routine visits to the doctor are important when it comes to preventative care, not only for ourselves, but for our kids too. So feeling comfortable when walking into the doctor is important, and it can be helpful to know what to expect. So today, we're learning about pediatric dental visits and what you can expect in the wake of COVID-19. With us to answer all of our questions is Dr. Charlie Serpak. Dr. Charlie, the first thing we need to know is it safe to bring our children to the dentist?
I can say without any qualification that the dental offices are now safe to go back. We have taken extra precautions, and there's some really outstanding protocols from the American Dental Association, the Pediatric Dental Association, CDC. All these things combined to make the dental offices really safe at this point. Well, the first thing that's different is that there's pre-screening. We're going to call you the night before your appointment, and we're going to go and make sure that there's not any warning symptoms that maybe someone has the virus. Everybody gets their temperature taken. The dentists are wearing more elaborate masks. Most people are wearing face shields.
So it's important for the kids to not skip their visits now because good oral health is really preventative care.
You know, the mouth's the gateway to health for the body. We want to avoid problems. We don't want to treat them. So what you want to do is get to the office and learn the good habits. Once oral health becomes a ritual, then you got it.
What kinds of things should the parents do to help the kids get ready to visit the dentist?
Well, first is just talk to the kids and say, you know, we're going back to the dentist, but things are going to be a little bit different. There's a website, mychildrensteeth.org, which is a very good help to show people what's going on in dental offices. Just say it's the same dentist, but they're just wearing more things now.
Take us through the steps of what a child can expect during a visit.
The first thing that you're going to notice is that you're going to stop at the reception desk. Then both people will get their temperature taken. If someone has an elevated temperature, they're probably going to postpone that visit that day. Then you'll be escorted into the dental operatories. In our office, we like to give a child a toothbrush, especially the little ones, because that's a familiar object. And then we talk about counting teeth. What the dentist is trying to accomplish is we're going to do a thorough exam. We're going to do an evaluation of the hard tissue, the teeth. We look at the gums, we look around the lips, how the occlusion comes together. You know, there's a whole list of things that we go through, but we try not to make it look clinical.
What is the most important thing you want the kids to remember as they head home?
That it's important to brush your teeth minimum twice a day. Basically, what we're trying to do with brushing is decrease the bacteria that are living on the teeth so that they can't produce acid. Acid would etch and make a hole in the tooth. That's where the cavity comes from. With young ones, you motivate them by talking about the sugar bugs, about having a nice smile. Try to do something that they like after you brush their teeth.
So I think the important takeaway here is to instill that routine in your kids at a young age, because really good oral health can last a lifetime.
Creating better dental awareness, better oral health awareness early is a gift you give your child that lasts a lifetime. We can get our children brushing correctly, getting onto a routine with the dentist, feeling good about themselves. We can avoid a lot of big problems later on down the line.
For more information on how other things work in the world of health, just head to our website, livinghealthytv.com. So if you like this video and want more Living Healthy, just subscribe to our channel.